So ayan, continuation tayo for the series natin for the sample problem ng fluid mechanics and hydraulics. Andito na tayo ngayon sa sample problem number 5. So the specific gravity of certain oil is 0.82. So calculate its una, A, specific weight and pound per cubic foot and kilonewton per cubic meter. And letter B is the mass density, so in slugs per cubic foot and kilogram per cubic meter. So let's start. So ang given is specific gravity lang yung pinigay ng oil. So given is the SG. So let's say is SG ng oil. So SG ng oil is 0.82. So A, yung A natin is pinapahanap sa atin yung specific weight. So let's say ano na lang siya, gamma ng oil yung pinapahanap. So una, pound. So pound in cubic foot. So para makuha yung unit weight ng oil, so gamma ng oil so is equal to gamma ng water times the SG ng oil. So it's equal to, so dito sa pound per cubic foot, so ang gamma ng water dito is equal to 62.4 pound per cubic foot. So salpak natin 62.4 pound per cubic foot times SG ng oil is 0.82. So ang sagot natin is equal to 51.168 pound per cubic foot. And then next, so next is excuse me. So ang next natin is yung unit weight or the specific weight in kilonewton per cubic meter. So kailangan natin for specific weight ng water in kilonewton naman per cubic meter. So it's equal to 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter. So here, ang gamma ng oil is equal to ano na lang, so hindi, ito na lang, ito yung formula natin ha, ito. So salpak ko na 9.81, so yung gamma ng water 9.81 kilonewton per cubic meter times yung SG ng oil, the specific gravity of oil is 0.82. So ang magiging sagot dyan is 9.81 times 0.82 is equal to 8.044 kilonewton per cubic meter. So yan yung sagot natin for specific weight in terms of kilonewton per cubic meter. So yan. So next, proceed tayo for the letter B. Ang pinapahanap naman dito is the mass density. So mass density, ito naman yung raw. Yan, raw. So pinapahanap sa atin yung raw ng So, oil. So, ang formula natin dito is, di ba, raw oil times density ng water times the specific gravity ng oil. Ayan. So, una, pinapanap is slugs per cubic foot. So, sa slugs tayo. So, lagyan natin ang palatandaan. So, ayan. So, slugs per cubic foot. So, ang density na pag sa slugs per cubic foot ay ang density ng water ay 1.94. Yan, 1.94 slugs per cubic foot. Ayan. So, you need to memorize yung mga ganito na mga density ng water in terms of slugs, in terms of pound cubic foot, or kilonewton per cubic foot, ayan, or newton cubic foot. So, it's important sa mga ganito. So, ang magiging density natin ng oil for the slugs, so salpak natin, 1.94 slugs cubic foot times, so times SG natin na 0.82. So, ang magiging sagot is 1.94 times 0.82 is 1. Ayan, 1. Double check natin times 0.82. So, 1.59. So, 1.59. Ayan. Slugs per cubic foot. So, yan yung answer natin for slugs. And then, ayan, yan yung density ng oil in terms of slugs per cubic foot. And then next, last one is the kilogram per cubic meter. So, kailangan natin ng density ng water in terms of kilogram per cubic meter. So, dito is 1,000 siya. 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter yung mass density for water. So, ang magiging density or the mass density ng oil naman in terms of kilogram per cubic meter, so yan, i-times natin 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter times the SG ng oil is 0.82. Ayan, so makukuha na natin yung density ng oil in terms of kilogram per cubic meter, which is 820 kilogram per cubic meter, or 820 ayan, 820 per kilogram per cubic meter. So, yan yung density in terms of, yan, in terms of kilogram per cubic meter. So, ayan yung, ano naman natin. So, okay na. Nahanap na natin lahat. So, yun lang guys. So, next na natin is sample problem number 6. Ayan.